Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to remove the deposit limit on BET365. Okay, the first step we're gonna do is open the site bet365.com, and right here you're going to log in. Okay, once login, you're going to find this icon right here. You're going to click it. Uh, you're going to click, and then we're gonna find this option called deposit limit. We're going to click right here, and then right here you can change your limits. Okay, you can change your limits clicking this button. We're going to click it, and then you're gonna type your limits. Okay, you're going to remove the actual ones, and you're going to type a new limit right here in this level, right here and right here. There you go. This is it. If this video was helpful, please comment and subscribe.